Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix the Generals 0 hour to make the best game ever. Yeah, last video you have seen a galaxy bullshit, and we still don't have a solution to the problem. Oh, this is what is the right strategy here? Typically, I would try to now go by exclusion, try to figure out which portion exactly triggers this behavior. But the problem is, the whole change is kinda like one change, so it's hard to like decouple this into smaller chunks. Because this create group now returns this ref count PTR. AIGroup, yeah, this is. Is there any more idea that we maybe have? Any more idea? I mean, stash pop again. Yeah. Oof. There must be an answer to this. Okay, that music is quite a bit annoying. Oh man, what is the problem? The group adds, remove all. Oh, I think I have an idea. I think I have an idea. Or nah. Not sure. Nah, this is... Man, I don't know where this. Where is this? Oh man. Why? If it is empty, we just make it null here. Here we destroyed the group. Okay, so this one should be fine. This one currently selected, remove all. No, that's also fine. That's fine. That's totally fine. This is all fine. Right. What is the problem? Somewhere we have to leak it, and I don't know where. I really don't see where that is. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Member list, swap member list. Member list begin. Member leave group. I just realized that here is a bug in this function, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see that. Somehow it doesn't find this function. There we go. If it's only the members that own this AI group, remove all. Yeah. I think in here we should also have an. We should have a ref count PTR AI group P ref this AI group no create add ref. Oh, we don't need that. We just say oh no, we can add ref this. Yeah, because we need to hold a reference in case we call remove all from within an object that owns this thing. Yeah, which is currently not happening, but Yeah, I think that's a bit safer, isn't it? And we should do the same in here as well. There you go. Yeah. It's empty. Remove. Mm-hmm. I think there's another function. Remove. Here, this one. Yeah, I don't think that's a problem, but I think that makes it a bit more robust now. Yeah, we should do that. Yeah. Okay, what else? AIGroup. Oh, that's the wrong function, by the way. Oops. It's supposed to be here. There we go. Actually, this one is calling remove. So we don't need it here, no. It's already covered here. That's this call. Yeah. Actually, hold on. Is that even needed? Remove. Erase. Leave group. Remove all. Remove all. Remove. Leave group. Yeah. Defer deletion until the end of this function. Okay. Create group. Recomputation. What do we do now? Man, I don't know what to look for. It could be anywhere. It could be anywhere. Okay. It's probably something really stupid. Something, maybe even something super simple. You just need to look at it. You just need to see it. This looks fine. This is fine, 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 fine. I've looked at this thing 10 times already. AIGroup. Oh no. You know, I'm wondering, is it maybe a possibility that it could go down here? And like, let's say, currently select. I don't know. Maybe. Oh, shit. What would really help is if we could narrow down where exactly it happens, right? Yeah. Where exactly it happens. Make AIGroup remove, remove all, safer. Okay, what else? But the issue still is that we release something that should not be released, right? Because we still see more AI groups being released when we end the replay, right? Number 59 is smaller than 73. That means there are 14 things that we free that shouldn't be freed, right? So we need to introduce more bugs to fix the issue. Yeah, oddly enough. But the question is, where? Where do we do that? Where do we do that? Where do we do that? It must be somewhere simple. Maybe it's not simple. Maybe it's hard. Yeah. Maybe it's hard. Create group. Peak. Do a tag. I don't know. If group, remove this. Leave group. Leave group. Object. center group. Maybe. I think we have no other choice but go a slow route. Yeah. But this is. Let me see. Yeah. Some bullshit. It all looks correct, right? We create the group here. And I go in here and we delete, and then if it is deleted, and we go, this is true. Actually remove true. Deleted. Actually removed. This one should always be true. And then it says if not deleted, then destroy the group. Otherwise, don't destroy. It's a mistake here, but I'm not seeing it. Yeah, because here it says deleted, so this call would have deleted it already, if this is true. Yeah, yeah. No, this should be fine. Should be fine, yeah. Oh man, what is the problem? This is really a giant galaxy bullshit. Man. Script engine. Script engine. Where's it going? AI AIGroup. AIGroup. Why AIGroup? Is a return in here? Maybe. AIGroup. Create group. Oh, hold on. Oh, I think I see something here. So if it previously it just assigned it here, so if this one was not freed, aha. Yeah. I think here we also need a leak. Yeah, I think so. Because if this one was still allocated, then this one would now leak it here, right? Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. Let's test that. Oh shit. I didn't mean to compile this one. Well, let's do it anyway. Okay, I hope that this is the one. Man. This shit is sneaky. It really is sneaky, yeah. My gosh. My gosh. Publishers need to list. Publishers need to list all the locations they are going to use. I have no idea what he means. Okay, good. Then let's build this, and hopefully this helps with the mismatching. Yeah. Maybe there are more of these cases where it assigns a group like that. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay. Let's hope that this helps. Let's see. Oof, that was fast. Oof. 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 Okay, I'm surprised by this. How did this happen now? How did this happen? Okay, which change introduced this now? Was it this here? Did I do a mistake here? This is unexpected. It is, yeah. Let me check that. Maybe this is wrong for some reason. I'm surprised. I'm surprised. Ah, shit. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, that was really unexpected, that fast mismatch. Huh. How does this happen now? Huh. It happens because of this? Let me see. AIGroup. AIGroup if empty. AIGroup. I'm really surprised by this. Yeah. Why is this happening now? I'm really quite surprised by this. If this introduces mismatch, how? That makes no sense. AIGroup if empty. Why would this cause mismatching then? Yeah, so for some reason this here introduces mismatching as well, but how? I don't understand it. Why would this cause mismatching? It shouldn't. It should prevent mismatching. Huh? I'm very, very confused about that. Yeah. Let's revert this. Why is this mismatching? Leak AI group. If empty, then we'll leak it. Yeah. Or not. Get team as I see, I see. I think. I think I know why, yeah. I think. I think we need to do, oh boy. Man. Because it says here, as it probably expired. Probably expired. Probably expired. Expire. Create group. Get team as AI group. Team. My gosh. So, I need to create the group. So, this only leaks if this was already empty here. Let me say if retail compatible CSC bool empty group. AI group is empty. Yeah. We do this. We say if AI group and if AI group is empty, false. We say here if empty group then leak. If retail compatible CSC and if. Oh boy. Then here we assign retail compatible. Oh my gosh. Does that make sense? AIGroup, empty group. It's empty. Let's say empty group. False. Oof. Say here, AIGroup. False. There we go. Empty group. If empty group, leak AIGroup if empty. And here we also say leak it. If team. I don't know if that makes sense what I'm doing here, but I guess it's worth a try. This one is not loading. Okay, let's see if that helps at all. It's quite adventurous, isn't it? Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, it should only leak the AIGroup if it was empty right on creation. Which shouldn't really happen. Well, it could happen. No, it couldn't happen here. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe this is not necessary, all this mumbo jumbo. Yeah. Because it only creates the AIGroup if we have a team, and we assume that in the team there are members. Unless it's in a team that doesn't have members. Is that possible? I can have an empty team? Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Maybe. Oh, it's not good. It really is not good. It's a miracle that this game runs at all. Yeah. Okay, so it got past the first mismatch we had earlier. Yeah, because now it's no longer unnecessarily leaking it. But the question is, will it stop later? I think it still will, because there's something we don't know. There's something we don't know. Man, it's so slow. Three frames per second. Jesus Christ. Okay, it should happen now. There we go. So it's not this, no. It's not that. What else? What else? I don't know. AIGroup. Great group. Let me keep on going. See the end count. No, I don't know. Set currently selected AI group. Group ads, remove all. is this function? Create reinforcements. Why is it so big? Jesus Christ. $66. Oh, it's less. Okay. Okay, it did something. It didn't fix the issue, but it did something. Wow, okay. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Whoa. Now the question is, where's the rest? Where are the rest leaks? The rest leakage. Where is it? Group anthem. Do merge into team. Oh. Team stop. I wonder if this here is something funky. Yeah. Yeah. Delete team. Team. Okay, let's group. Gets. Oh man. Get team as AIGroup. Hold on. Get team as AIGroup. What does it actually do? Add. It adds it to the group, yeah. It adds the guys to this group. Yeah. Man. Let me post my progress here. This is galaxy bullshit. This is some galaxy bullshit. Oh man. Any other leaks? Do we have any other leaks that we need to carefully handle here? We figured this one, that's good. But there's more. There's something else. The question is what that is. Add AIGroup to current selection. Group. I'm really surprised that the AI group is so broken. It's just unbelievable. How can they ship a game this broken? It's crazy. Well, I mean they had to release it, I guess. Yeah. Better release it than not release it. Yeah. Wow. Oh man. Are we missing anything else? Single object from get single cancel upgrade. Spikers head info. This looks suspicious. I'm looking for an assignment to that variable, but I don't see any, so it seems to be fine. Maybe. Yeah, seems to be fine. Yeah. This is also fine. All these are fine. I really don't know what the problem is. Still have this one here. Create group. That's also fine. Is it not? Delete, yeah. I'm about to flip some tables here. Maybe. It's so easy to make mistakes here. $66. So we are missing 7 leaks. No. 7 leaks. 7 leaks. Is there any call to destroy group? I looked through all of them. I don't see anything else. I don't know what to say. I mean, the memory management is just all full of that thing. It leaks, a double phrase. Heap use after free. I thought it's all fixed. Is there anything else wrong here? If it's empty, we set it to null. It's empty. It's empty. Previously, it would have deleted it here and here. Let's try. That's not necessary. If it is empty, we don't need. If it is empty, we don't need to call remove all. Yeah. Can't issue commands to groups that contain units, blah, blah, blah. Okay, if we can't fix it this way, the other option is we keep all the original mess and we go with a hack. We go with the absolute golden hack. Yeah. With the hack. Goes the hack. Okay, for that, what would we need to do? We would need to. Oh my gosh, this issue is so hard. This is so hard. Oh my gosh. But only because you want the stupid retake compatibility. Man, this retake compatibility is just mega bullshit. Say AIGroup. The AIGroup is total shit. It's total shit to make it CSC compatible. Yeah, I'm really I'm upset about this bullshit. It's so bad. But I feel like I'm close, right? There's probably just one more thing that we need to fix, but I really don't know where to look. It's really not easy to reason about this shit. I don't see the problem. I don't see it. Is there maybe more wrong in this loop? Yeah, AIGroup. Remove phone. It's such a big bullshit. Not emptied. Something I'm missing. Mega bullshit. I mean, there's not so many places, right? We have 3, 5 files, 6, 7 files. A couple places, yeah. It shouldn't be so hard. It really shouldn't be that hard. Why don't I see it? There's something I don't see. That's also kind of stupid, isn't it? Yeah. Select. Okay. If we were to go a different route, let's say we go to AI, yeah, and we remove this again, yeah. Put this, and then instead we say let's merge this as fix more bullshit. Fix more bullshit, yeah. Okay, and then we say my gosh. Surprising, yeah. Leaking is okay. Leaking, you know, we just have extra AI groups in the list, who cares? But we cannot have dangling pointers, double deletes, heap use after free. We can't do that. And it's doing that shit. Oh, man. It's such a big screw up, man. What is at fault? What is at fault here? Okay, let's think. How can we narrow it down? I don't know. The group. Let's look at it one more time. Create group, no address. The group. The group. AI group, create group. Looks fine to me. Is there any other place that is allocating group without calling this function? I hope not. Let's search for this here, new instance AI group. There's one. Let's search for a new AI group. No hits, okay. Search for AI group. Oof. No, it's not helpful. Yeah. Create group, no. Create group, that should be the only ones. Let's take a look at objects, and at AI group. Yeah, group. Yeah, group. Let's see what this one is doing. Get group. Get group. Yeah, maybe we should take a look at this guy as well. Get group. Enter group. That's fine. Add ref, yeah. Leave group. Yeah. Remove. Setting before removing. Yeah. Yeah. Let's search for this get group. Let's see what this does. Okay. On enter group. Okay, it's just reading it. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah. Yeah. That seems rather innocent. Recompute group speed. Yeah. Oh, there's nothing wrong there. Man. Create group. There's one more error somewhere. One more error. Let me search for all returns in this file. Current solution. Document. Return. Oof. Well, that's not helpful, is it? That's not helpful. Empty team. Create group. Push it. There's some absolute bullshit. I don't know what to say. I really would like to fix it this way, but I can't do it. I can't do it. Okay. We found so many things already, but there's still something. And then even if we find that, there's no guarantee that there's nothing else, right? There could be like a really deep rabbit hole of shit. It's... I don't know what to say. Group enter the building. Group enter the building. I think this is a dead end. This is a dead end. Okay, then how about we fix it in a different way? We go to AI and we have AI group here somewhere. Where's AI group? AI group. Here. Okay, so we say type def ref.ptr. We say if retail compatible CSC ref.ptr AI group PTR. AI group PTR. And then else and if. Now the question is, what do we do with this one then? Should it be a naked pointer? A raw pointer? It can't be. It can't be. What we need to do is we need to say we need to we go on nuclear option now. I go nuclear option. I'm sick of this shit. I'm absolutely sick of this bullshit. Making this retail compatible with all these errors is just impossible. It's impossible. Good. So here's the AI group. Where's the ref count class? Ah, it's in here. Right. So what we do is ref count. So we say here, if not retail compatible CSC, and if retail compatible CSC, I mean, ref count value. Let me do let's say integer type default explicit ref count value. Refs. Say init num refs equals 1. Then we say AIGroup init num refs AIGroup here. Ah shit. Where's the constructor? Here. AIGroup. If retail compatible CSC ref count m ref counts 0 and if otherwise it will start with 1 retail compatible CSC 0 ref count 0. Okay, and then we say then we replace ref computer. We need a we need a new copy of this guy. I think. Let's do a if retail compatible CSC and if let me search for dummy. Dummy PTR type. Okay. How about we call this dummy ref count PTR? Oops. Okay. Okay. Then we have this. And we do this. Reset pointer without changing its reference count. P release peak. We do that. Okay. We have that. No. All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's just do that. Done. Okay. Okay, so basically this is the same interface, but it just doesn't do any reference counting underneath. So it's a dummy ref counter, and this is what we use now for this thing here. Dummy ref count PTR. There we go. Then we search for all occurrences of this there, and we replace it with AIGroup, AIGroup PTR. No. Entire solution. Replace, replace. There we go. Mm-hmm. 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 There we go. Good. That's it. Good. So we have these all replaced now. We have an AIGroup PTR type dev, which can be either the dummy or the real deal. Okay, so that's stage one. That means the ref counter does nothing on the retail compatible CSC, which means we can now reinstate the original destroy object bullshit manual calls, because it never will call actually destroy object on this guy, because it never do reference counting. That means we also no longer need to call the leak, because the leak is now implicit anyway. It just keeps on leaking the same bullshit. Okay. And instead, so what we then do is All right, let's save the current state. Oof, what is this? Current state, and then we do AI. Okay, and then let me see if that compiles to begin with. However, that fails now. Okay, we got a bunch of errors. Okay. AIGroup, unknown override specifier. Okay. This one is unknown. Why? Object.h. What now? Okay, what do we have here? Oh, okay. Okay, let's try again. Okay, still errors. Okay, what's the problem here? Object.h, does it not see this or what happens? Dummy ref count. Okay, so AIGroup, I don't understand why it fails to compile here at this point. Shouldn't. It should see it, right? What's the problem? Do I need to include AI here, or what is the problem? Error. AIGroup. Unknown override specifier. What does that even mean? Missing type. I think it doesn't recognize what this type is, right? For some reason. Yeah, it doesn't know what it is. How do we solve that? I don't know. It somehow cannot deal with this. With a forward declaration here, I guess. Maybe that's a problem. Object. Yeah. AIGroup. I think what we need to do here is if retail compatible CLC else and if ref count PTR AIGroup AIGroup and dummy. There we go. Let's try that. All right, that compiles. That's a good start. And now we basically go back to all the other bullshit that was in there. So we go to AI. No add ref. Yeah, okay, blah blah. Good. Good. AI. Delete this. Blah, blah, blah. Remove all. Okay, blah. Good. Now we search for all delete group calls. If we can find that. Let's see. Good. So let me search for all group removal places. Or just remove all. Remove all. There we go. So game logic. So we have this guy here. Yeah. Dot peak. Yeah. Yes, peak group. Okay, let me say here if retail compatible CSC, and we do that, else we do that. Okay. Good. Same here. If that. Yeah. And if. There we go. Okay. Okay. Next. This one here. Destroy group. Okay. So then we go in here. So you scroll up to the top bullshit. Yeah. So if is empty, I put this here. And if, oh Jesus Christ. All right. Right, group. There we go. There we go. And we do this here. There. else. There we go. Remove all. Boom. Done. Some reason we have some big errors here. What is that? I don't know why. And if def, ugh, and if, there we go. And if, next, else, and if, and if, and if. Okay. Absolute bullshit. Okay, next we do quit the game here. Okay. Then let's next. Yeah. Let me search for remove all again. Good. So here we have destroy group, and there, and there, and there, and there, there. Okay, so what about this one? AIGroup, CPP. We still need. We still needed someplace else. Yeah. So AIGroup, CPP. We need a destroy group here. Remove. Yeah. Where is it? This. If retail compatible CSC, and if okay. So basically now the behavior should be the same as original, pretty much. Yeah, unless I made a mistake somewhere. Let me look at this one more time. So how many? Destroy groups. Do we have remove all? Everywhere where is it? Remove all. There should be a destroy. Oh, here's another one. Hold on. Yep. Yep. Beacon removal. There you go. Oh, this break. Where is it? This one. Destroy group. Pig. If retail compatible CSC and if. Yeah. Okay, remove all. Okay. Destroy. Let's search for this here. There, we have it there. Okay, so how many destroy calls do we have now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Okay, so we have 8 in dispatch. Is that a correct number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that looks about right. Game logic, we have 1, 2. AIGroup. AIGroup. We have 1, 1, 1. And here we have another one. That's also fine. Okay, it looks like we have restarted to what it was. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Okay, that means the crash should be back. Right? But no mismatch. Yeah. No mismatch. No, let's test that here. And then basically to fix a crash, what we do now, very simply, we put we go to dispatch, and here we say if retail compatible CSC and if, and we say super hackers at bug fix (2806) 2025 massive hack to avoid crashing. This is a massive hack to avoid crashing when selecting players during replay, playback. Okay, so we say if that and that get count, yeah, get count equals 0, then return. This is handling a case where the AIGroup is already this reads an already deleted AIGroup and returns when its member size is 0. When players are selected during replay playback. This is a massive hack to avoid crashing when players are selected during replay playback. It reads an already deleted AIGroup. It reads data from an already deleted AIGroup and returns when its member size is 0. There we go. And that should avoid the crashing. It's an absolutely ugly bullshit fix, but it looks like that's the best we can do here for the VC6 compatible build. We can't fix it nicely, because if we fix it nicely, we introduce mismatch, and that's not good. Yeah, so we won't fix it nicely. We only fix it nicely once we drop compatibility by just disabling the retake compatible CSC macro. And for now, we just use a giant hack, and this hack is exactly how Gentoo has fixed the problem. Maybe I should have done it right from the bat, from the get-go. Now, absolute bonkers. Yeah, absolute bonkers. Then we can also if not retail compatible CSC, and if can also do this, and if I think we can actually also remove this here, right? Yeah. then it also means you can remove this. Then we go to ref counts. Ref counts. And we can also remove this here. Yeah. Void. Go to ref PTR. Okay. Then let's build again. We get compile errors here. I see. Remove that bullshit. Cancel. I really want to end the session here. How about we continue next time with this? I think I'm done here. Yeah. I will end it here. Next session we continue, and hopefully it works. Yeah. I will end it here. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.